Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your watch list suddenly disappears or doesn't show up, it's usually caused by account mix-ups, profile issues, syncing delays, or app glitches. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix a missing watch list on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, watch list is tied to your account, not the device. Profiles might have separate watch lists, and sync delays can temporarily hide your list. Okay, so most issues equals wrong accounts or sync problem. Okay, so check your on the check you are on the correct profile. Okay, open Prime Video, look at the profile icon, switch to your main profile. Each profile has its own watch list. Okay, so confirm you are using the right account, log out of Prime Video, log back in with your main Amazon account. It prevents watch list mismatch. Okay, you can also refresh the app, like close the Prime Video app, reopen it. It forces watch list to sync. Okay, you can also restart your device, okay, as a whole, like restart your TV, phone, or computer. This fixes temporary glitches affecting watch list. Okay, check internet connection, like ensure stable Wi-Fi or data, because poor connection can prevent watch list from loading. Okay, otherwise update the application, like go to App Store, update Prime Video. It fixes bugs related to missing lists. You can also try another device, like open Prime Video on a different device. If watch list appears there, issue is device specific. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.